I'm the CEO of the company, DF Automation and Robotics, Sendirian Berhad. We are from Malaysia. So basically, DF Automation, we are making autonomous mobile robots. We do the products, we do the software, and we do all the integration for solution as well. So welcome to drop by our booth so we can do some detailed introduction about our product to you.
Myself, Mr. Sagar. So I am looking after the DF India operations. So basically today we are showcasing here in Automation Expo 2025. So we are DF Automation Solution India Private Limited. We are subsidiary of DF Group Malaysia. So we are showcasing our product like Zoei, Zalpha, Zetha. So it's our AGV AMR. So basically Zoei is like demonstrating, we are along with the ABB cobot where we are going to do the multiple applications. It's like ARV, we call the autonomous robot vehicle. We will do the solutions for the pick and place, palletization, multiple applications. Then we're having the Zetha, where you can use to transport the pallet in industry from ground to ground. Then we're having the Zalpha along with the Fanu cobot, where we're going to showcase the pick and place application. Then we can do the screwing, then multiple application by using the vision system to get the high accuracy of the solutions. So let's visit us and you can see our all solutions, what we are demonstrating, and let's work together. Thank you.